I know I've made a ton of Nitro-related videos on my channel. But even so, I keep getting many comments that some couldn't get free Discord Nitro. Don't worry, I will explain everything about it. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. Okay, so the first step, go to SteelSeries website, the link will be in the video's description, and download this app on your PC. Yes, this free Nitro method only works on PC. Now come to this app and create a new account. You need to do one more thing before claiming your free Discord Nitro, because if you didn't, you won't be able to claim the key for this. After creating your account on SteelSeries, go to the mail of the same email address because you will receive this confirmation mail from them. Once you're verified, feel free to claim your free 1-month Discord Nitro. Since I won't be claiming mine, I will post the free Nitro